Hey guys, this is Subhash Mishra. Today we will learn another Python program. We will see how to write a Python program to replace the string space with a given character. Okay, so first of all we will take one string. So let us take one string. String is equal to let me take I love Python. Okay, so this is your one string, and here you can see there are multiple spaces, right? Here is one space, here is also one space. So what we want to do here, we want to replace this space with a character, any character, right? For example, I want one output, for example, new string, or I will just put ns is equal to, I just want something like this. Okay, I want output should be like this. So how we will get it, right? So we will see through a program, through a Python program, how we will do it. I will show you two different approach. Okay, one is through your for loop and one is through your inbuilt function. Okay, so the very first thing we will see through the for loop. Okay, so for that what we will do, anyway we have taken one string and we will take another variable. So we have taken basically two variables. Let us say here you take one variable s1. Okay, s1 is your the first string, okay, which is I love Python, and then we have another string which is s2, and here we will replace the space with a character. So let us do one thing, here we will replace with underscore. Okay, the example whatever I showed to you, we will do it in that way. Okay, so how you will do it? Through a for loop. So first we will see through a for loop, then we will see through inbuilt function. So the very first thing what you can do, you can just write a for loop for I in range. Okay, for I in range you can say 0 to length of the string. So what is the string here? s1. Okay, then what you can do, if okay s1 of I, if s1 of I is equal to a space, okay, is equal to this, then what we will do? We will do s2 is equal to s2 plus this underscore. Okay, that is all. Else what we will do? s2 is equal to s2 plus s1 of I. Okay, that is all. Then what we will do? Just print, you want to print s2, right, because this is the updated string, basically we replaced, right. So let me just execute and see here you can see I love Python. Okay, so what we did here, so we have one string which is in that string we have I love Python. Okay, we want to replace all these space with this underscore, okay, with this special character. Okay, so we have taken another variable and we have, there is nothing, right, we have just kept it blank. Okay, so the loop started, the for loop started, and what is the range of this for loop? For I in range 0 to the length of this s1. So if you will see, the range here is, starting from 0 to, it will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Okay, so if you are confused also, what we will do, we will just do a print. So we will be sure what is the length. Print will say length. Okay, let me just execute one more time. See, length is 13. Okay, so now we know the length is 13 here. Okay, so the loop start from it will start means 13 time it will execute, right. It will start from 0, it will end here in the 13. Okay. So, the very first thing what we are telling here, when the I value is 0, we are telling if S1 of I means S1 of 0, what is present in S1 of 0? I value, right. If I is equal to space, right, here we are telling space, is it equal to space? No, because I present here, right. So, basically it will not go inside this, it will come to this else block, because when the condition is not satisfied in the if block, it will come to the else block. What we are telling, S2 is equal to S2 plus S1 of I. That means what was earlier present in S2? In S2 it was blank, right. So, now S2 is equal to S2 plus means blank plus S1 of I. In the S1 of I is present, right. So, now the value became I. Okay. So, now S2 value became I. Then again the loop will come here, and now what is the I value? I value will be 1. Okay. If S1 of 1, what is present in S1 of 1? Space, right. S1 of 1 is equal to this blank space. Yes, it means the condition is satisfied. Then what we are telling, S2 is equal to S2 plus this underscore. What is the S2 value as of now? S2 value is I. So, what will be the value here? It will be I. Okay, it will be I and then this underscore. Basically, we replace this space with this underscore. Okay. Now, again it will not go in this, right, because if condition satisfied, it will go up. Now, I value is 2. So, when it is 2, then what will happen? Again S1 of 2, what is present there? It is L, right. So, L is equal to space? No. So, again it will come here in this else block. Okay. Again what will happen here? S2 equal to S2 plus S1 of I. What is the S2 value now? I underscore. So, I underscore plus S1 of I means this L, right, because the value is 2 now, I value is 2 now, right. So, what is the value now? It will be I underscore L. Okay. Again the loop will go here, and now the value will be 0, 1, 2, 3. I value is 3. So, when it is 3, again the same thing, this condition will not match because it is not space, right. So, it will come here, and what will be the S2 value? S2 value will be, it will again add this O here. Okay. Again it will go here, now the value is 4, again this condition will not match, it will come here, then it will be V. Again it will go here, it will, this condition will not match, it will come here, the value will be E. Again it will go here, and now the I value is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, when the I value is 6, in that point of time this condition will match, basically this condition will match. So, this loop will execute. So, in that point of time what will happen? Now, S2 value is this much, right, I underscore love. So, the next value will be S2 is equal to S2 plus I love in the space, in the place of space it will be again 1 underscore. Okay. And again when the loop will run, when it will be 7, then again all this condition will not match. So, all these values like 13 times, right, till 13 value it will execute, and finally the result will be this one, I love, then one it will be P, okay, P, and then it will be again something like this. I am not telling the same thing again and again, right, Y, finally it will be Python. Okay. So, 13 times this loop will execute. Okay. So, in this way you can replace any string. Okay. So, it is not like you can replace only this what you say space, you can replace anything, or in place of P you want to put something else, right, you can do that also, right. So, how you will do it? Again the same thing here, whatever you are doing, right, S2 here what you are telling, in place of if S1 of I is equal to, here you tell if it is L, for example, if it is L, what you do? You do it capital. Basically, in place of small l, we will make it capital. Okay. That is all. Okay, let me execute. See, it became capital L. Similarly, if you want to make this P as capital also, what you can do? You just make it P and here you make it capital P, run it. See? Okay. So, this is your approach 1. Okay, this is your approach 1. Okay. Now, I will tell you the second approach. Okay. So, how you will do it, right? So, for that again let me just comment out this, right. This is one straightforward thing we can do, right. So, even I can comment out this is not required. So, directly what we will do here, we will tell S2 is equal to S1 dot replace. Okay, so, you can basically use this replace method. So, what you want to replace? You want to replace the space with underscore. Okay. So, what you want to replace with what you want to replace, right. So, both the things if you will give, then finally you just print it S2. Okay. Let me just execute and show you. See, you saw. Okay. If you just want to execute, you want to replace with comma, that also you can do. See, I comma love comma Python. Okay. So, this is very easy. Okay. You can definitely in your like real time code you can use this method, but yeah, in your interview if someone is asking you don't use the inbuilt method, you can definitely use this. Okay. So, anything is fine. Okay. So, this is a very easy program. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like it, please press the like button, share it with your friends, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Also, don't forget to watch all other Python programs. I have created a separate Python program playlist. There are a lot of Python programs added to that particular playlist. Those are very, very helpful for your interview. Please do watch all those videos. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye-bye.